Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making turkey club sandwiches. The ingredients that we're going to need today are bread, mayonnaise, cheese. I'm using butter lettuce, turkey bacon. I have a low sodium turkey breast and also tomatoes. Guys, you can use whatever lettuce or bacon or turkey of your choice. Okay guys, you want to just go ahead and prepare everything. I'm using 6 slices of turkey bacon, and don't forget to wash off your lettuce. And I'm also using 3 slices of butter bread and 3 slices of whole wheat bread. So I'm about to cook my turkey bacon. I lightly sprayed my frying pan with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay guys, our turkey bacon is done, so I'm about to take it out the frying pan. Okay guys, with the turkey bacon, all I did was cut it in half. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and toast our bread. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're lightly toasting it. By the way guys, this is the Drew Barrymore toaster by her collection Beautiful. It's a digital toaster, and as you can see, it toasts really well. Nothing is burnt. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start to assemble our turkey club. You're going to grab a piece of toast, and you're going to go ahead and put some mayonnaise on it. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our lettuce. Then you're going to go ahead and add some tomato. And if you would like, you can sprinkle some black pepper on. Next, I'm going to add my turkey bacon. Then we're going to go ahead and add our turkey onto it. I'm going to put 2 slices of turkey, a slice of cheese, and I'm going to add 1 more slice of turkey. Then we're going to put another slice of toast on top, and you're going to add mayonnaise to that slice. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and grab another slice of lettuce. Some tomato, and I'm going to add my bacon on once again. A slice of turkey breast, another slice of cheese, and 1 more slice of the turkey breast. We're going to put our toast on top, and we're going to flip it over. Okay guys, I have both of my sandwiches done. So next I'm just going to go ahead and take this party stick. I'm going to be slicing my sandwich diagonally, so I'm going to stick one in here on this side, and also one right here, and do that for both sandwiches. Remember, you're cutting your sandwich diagonally. Okay guys, our sandwiches are now done. And this is your turkey club. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.